Welcome to the beautiful Legoland Hotel in sunny Southern California. HobbyKidsTV is going to show you a few highlights. Guys!
The Lego dragon up there.
Wow, a scary dragon.
He is scary, huh? See the Lego man?
There's Lego bricks on the carpet that lead up to a big pool of Legos that you can get into and build whatever you want. Do you see the pirate ship in the background? Legos are definitely a hobby of ours. If they are yours too, you'll have a blast building on the column.
No, they don't have Lego guys in here, just the Lego bricks. Wow!
The Legoland Hotel sign is actually made of Legos. At the front desk of the lobby is every single minifigure imaginable. There's a little bike that goes by real slowly with two big magnifying glasses. This way you can see the minifigures very clearly. Do you see any in here that you recognize? Who's your favorite minifig? Remember that pirate ship that you saw? Well, here is the bottom of it. It's full of Legos at the bottom, and it's a fun activity center where you can play. This pirate ship is part of the cafe, and inside here are a couple clues to open up the treasure chest inside your hotel room. HobbyKid, what are you doing up there in the ship?
Yar.
Looks like someone had fun making Emmett's face. Here's the deck of the ship, and inside those lighted squares that you see are even more Legos. On the back of the ship is the captain's wheel. There's even a Lego jail. Ooh, another scary Lego dragon. Now let's head up to our room. There's a glimpse of the elevator. It's disco fun. This is the pirate level, so you see lots of fun pictures on the carpet. There's nothing funner than running to your new hotel room. Each room includes a box of Legos that you guys can play with and borrow and have fun with. There's lots of fun details, like this butterfly made of Legos.
Cool.
That's bunk bed.
Here's the kids' private cove.
Ooh, you get your own TV.
Ooh, there's even something like that. Look.
Spin all of it.
Even this little pirate rat is made of Legos. The bathroom is decked out in pirate theme and, of course, full of Lego artifacts. Here's a view from our room at night. You can see the pool. Do you see those things floating in the pool? Those are giant Legos. Here's the pool in the daylight, obviously. These giant Legos are made of foam, so they float. And they are interlocking, just like real Legos. Hobby kids of all ages can make all different kinds of things. This hobby kid made a little king chair. And this hobby kid made a supersized king chair. Here's the treasure chest, and once you figure out the passcode, you open it up and see what the treasure is inside. You get the passcode by figuring out clues around the hotel. Be sure to watch the next video to see what's inside this treasure chest. We'll see you guys on the next video. Check out our Legoland playlist too to keep the fun going.